Today, food processors, distributors, and food service organizations face the challenge of not only producing and supplying the freshest food to market quickly, but accurately tracking the journey from production to pantry. And for nearly 20 years, Inecta Food has been at the forefront of providing business solutions specifically created for the food industry. Inecta Food's powerful ERP solution is built around Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central and is integrated with MS Office. It allows you to easily take control of the entire food production process, from the moment materials enter your facility to finished product delivery to provide you with the reliable results. Imagine a fully automated process that helps you manage food safety, recalls, batch management, tracking, and more, all of which saves time, money, and keeps you in compliance. Best of all, Inecta Food can be customized for any operational need, and expert consultants are available 24/7 to help you tackle any challenge. So keep food manufacturing and distribution fresh, fast, and safe with a trusted food-specific solution. Schedule your Inecta Food demo today.